Let's be honest, there is nothing more heartbreaking than spending $80 on a gorgeous rose bouquet, only to watch them turn into crunchy brown sadness 5 days later. But what if your cold offer your customers a gift that captures that first day magic forever? Welcome back, creators. Today we are diving into the world of crochet floral artistry. We aren't just making yarn flowers, we are building a high ticket sustainable business on Etsy and Shopify. If you have been looking for that one product that marries high profit margins with pure aesthetic joy, you have found it. Let's look at some design inspiration that are currently taking the e-commerce world by storm. First up, we have Category Meadow. The secret to selling these online is just perfection. It's character. The mix, instead of dozen identical roses, think lavender sprigs, chamomile daisies, and eucalyptus leaves. The texture, mix your yarn weight, use a fuzzy mohair blend for soft flowers and Americanized cotton for structured stems. On Shopify, market these as everlasting wildflowers. They appeal to the eco-conscious buyer who loves that hand-picked rustic vibe. Use twine and brown craft paper for your packaging. Shorts, it's an instant add to cart for the Pinterest crowd. If you want to hit the wedding or anniversary market, you need to go monochromatic. There is something incredibly high-end boutique about the bouquet sticks to the strict color palette. The design focus on the statement flower like peony or chinella